Hi YouTube, it's your girl Lizzy. How y'all doing today? I'm coming to you today with a video that I promised you. We're going to cook on this power air fryer today. Today we're going to make some buttermilk fried chicken, which is in the America's #1 favorites cookbook of the power air fryer. So basically all we're going to need for this video is we're going to use the 3 racks that they give us. And we also going to use the drip pan just in case. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the video and don't forget to hit the bell for more upcoming videos. So we're going to get started. Okay, you guys, this recipe called for buttermilk soaked chicken. So I got my buttermilk chicken here. Well, I got my chicken soaking in buttermilk. So I preferably put that in there for about half an hour, maybe to an hour. But from what the recipe says, it's good to keep it in there for at least 24 hours to get a good buttermilk marinade for that. And then it also called for some corn flakes. So I went and grabbed some corn flakes. And then you add your seasoning to your corn flakes. So basically what's in this seasoning is I have some seasoned salt. I have some paprika. I have some regular black pepper, and I also added a tiny bit of white pepper, and then I have some garlic powder. So that's the only thing that I've added to the cornflakes. And so what I did basically is crunch up the cornflakes, make them real small and fine, and added the seasoning to it. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and take the chicken from the pot. We're going to dip it in here. And then we're going to put it on the rack. So the rack is right here. And I guess I'm going to go ahead and put in first. The first thing would be the drip pan. Let me put that. Uh-oh. I think I put it in backwards. Let's try that again. All right. So we're going to put that down at the bottom like that. And then we're going to work with this. Okay, you guys, I got my chicken here, and what I'm gonna do, I got some chicken thighs, so I'm gonna put it in here and get it nice and covered. So basically the utensils that I have is a spoon, some tongs. I do have a plate on the other side of me. So I think I'm going to try to cover these with a spoon. It seems like it's a lot better. I'm going to just set this plate right here. And then, like I said, I did put the rack in, so I used the bottom rack first. And I'll make sure I got everything off. I don't want it to be dripping and stuff. Now I'll make sure you can see this, so we're gonna just turn. That's the first rack, y'all. Okay, we on rack number 3. So I'm going to slide this rack in here. I hope you guys can see this pretty good. Look like it's kind of dark in here. All right, y'all. I think I'm going to stop right here and go ahead and try to get it cooking. And we're going to push the power button. So I got the chicken in there. As you can see, it's in there. It's in there. And then I got the button here. So you guys, please excuse the lamp in the back. Of course, that's my new ring light. And we're going to find chicken. So this looks like, uh-oh. Oop, the wrong one. This looks like the chicken button. So we're going to push that one. And it says 40 minutes. So we're going to let it cook. Now it's cooking. And we're just going to let it cook. it blew a fuse where I had it plugged at. So now we back on, and we at the 370 degrees for it, and we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes is what the book says, and then we have to rearrange the racks. So we'll be back shortly. We're going to switch these racks, and I'm sure it's hot, so I'm going to set this up so you can watch this. Let's see how we going to do it. Get a hot pad, of course, so what I'm going to do is take this bottom rack. Oh, that looks good, y'all. Look at that. That looks real nice and pretty. And then we're going to take this top rack, and I'm going to put it in down here. Uh-oh. Right there. And then this middle rack, we'll sit the bottom one in here. If I can get it level. And then we're going to put the top one. Okay, you guys, I just changed the racks. So we got it all in there again. And it's looking pretty good inside of there. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and close it back up and let it finish. Had about, looks like it says 30 minutes on there. Cooked at 370 degrees. It takes a total of 40 minutes to cook the chicken. So here we go. I'm going to let it finish. It starts right back up as soon as you close the door. And now it's cooking again. Okay, you guys, we're down to 23 minutes. When we get to 20 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and turn the chicken over so it can start cooking on the other side as well, because I want to make sure the heat goes through evenly. Okay, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and flip the chicken over now. I'm gonna leave them in the same spot, but I'm just gonna flip them a little bit. Get these little things here, and it's really hot in here, y'all. It is hot. I still haven't found out how to take off the that bottom rack, this tray right here yet, though. So here we go. Ooh. Ooh. Look like it kind of stuck to the... I don't know how I'm liking this, y'all. Maybe I should... Oh. Next time I'm gonna have to spray, put a little spray on the racks, because it looks like the batter is actually sticking. But it does look really great. It looks good. Look at that. It really does look good. Just sticking to the tray. Well, see, y'all, ain't no batter on that side. And I decided to go ahead and flip it over so we can cook the next 20 minutes on this side. So we can see how it's gonna taste. So it's got a little about 20 more minutes to go, so. Oh, now see, that's nice and brown. This little bitty piece right here look like he about done. I think I'm gonna take that one off. And I'm gonna cook this one a little bit more. These was just some little bitty like nugget styles I had. Turn him over. Look nice and crispy. I don't want to overcook it. But it do say 40 minutes, so. Okay, I turned them all over now. And we're gonna slide it back in, like so. Let's go in for it. Got about 18 more minutes to go. Okay, you guys, we're down to our last 3 minutes. So, we should be pulling it out in a minute. Okay, you guys, I'm taking it out. But I know, for me, I kind of lost all of my batter. So I am going to try this again, and hopefully, I want to make sure this chicken is done. So I'm going to end up cutting it open because some pieces don't really look that done to me. And those look good and crispy. Like the top shelf doing better than the bottom. So if I have to put anything else on there, I will definitely rotate more on the top. So I like crumbs. So what I'm gonna do with these is I'm going to they popping all over the place. I'm gonna have a mess to clean up when I'm finished with this mess. I'm not quite happy with the way this turned out for me today. But hopefully when I taste it, hopefully it'll make me happy. I just wanted some of the crumbs. Because they look good. It's nice and crispy. I will give it that much. It is nice and crispy. And I'm sure some people can do this a lot better than me. But this is my first time. So I'm going to chalk it up to that. That right there is... Okay, you guys. That right there is my Power Air Fryer chicken. And we're going to see how it tastes. And I'm going to put it on the plate. And I'll let you know in just a moment. Hi, you guys. All right, we at the final. Finally got the chicken all done. Now I got some Spanish rice and a couple of vegetables here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut into this chicken. And we're just going to cut it. It's already cut right here. So I'm going to just move that piece open. And the reason why that's already cut right here is because I tried to just do this part a minute ago. And something happened. And we didn't get a chance to do it. So, ooh. Let's see. I know y'all like, why is she cutting the chicken like that? So it looks kind of tender. It looks great. So we're going to taste it and see how it is. Now that's good. It's nice and tender, juicy. And my little rice needs a little butter, but it's okay. Let's try that again. It's really good, guys. And I tell you, this is something good because you don't have to keep frying that food. You can get off that oily stuff, them refined oils, and start taking care of yourself. I'm gonna say, all right, good night, you guys. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And please subscribe down below. And also click the bell. And that way you can get the upcoming videos. So I'm just going to say good night and see you later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.